In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually record an expense in GnuCash. Now first you want to go to your accounts tab and you want to go inside expenses and then you want to select the type of expense you had. So for example, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go into clothes. I'm going to double click it and this is basically where you have to add it. So to manually record it, you have to put in a date and then a description over here. I'm going to just type in, for example, t-shirt like this. There we go. And then here where it says transfer, you want to select where you had the transfer. So I'm actually gonna go in over here and I'm gonna find something that's gonna be relevant. Of course to you it may be different, but I'm just going to go over here, income bonus. Okay, of course up to you, whichever one you want to do depending on your current situation. And then the expense, you want to type in how much it was. For example, I'm just going to do like 12 bucks over here and press enter, and there we go, we've recorded in an expense manually. Okay, so if I now go to accounts over here, as you can see, you have like this over here, it says how much it was. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.